Right. Now, uh, uh, first thing is selection in a worksheet. That means how to select uh, in a worksheet. Okay. So what's the normal method? Just click and drag. No?
Dragon.
Yes. Click and drag. That's the basic way. And there's another option called how to select multiple areas, multiple cells, multiple areas.
But by clicking and dragging?
No, by clicking and dragging, we can select only one area. If we want to select 2 or 3 areas, what should we do?
By shift?
Not shift, using the control key. Yeah? You have to
Okay.
select the first area, then press and hold the control key, and then after that, you can select other areas. Just try it. Did it work?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Right. Now, how to select using the shift key? You have to click this first cell, then press and hold the shift key and click the last cell. Right? Right. If you want to select an entire row, how to do it? Actually,
By
I
clicking
did.
the
I
number?
didn't. Sorry.
By clicking the number?
Yes. You can click the row number. Or if you want to select several rows, you can click and drag like this. And if you want to select a column, you can just select column letter and click and drag. Okay. How to select the worksheet? You can press Control and A key, Control A. Actually, it works for any word, any office document. Control A means Control All.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir, it worked.
Okay. Now let's think that I'm going to type the word candy. Now I forgot to type the letter N. How to edit this one?
By double clicking?
Yes. Actually, there are 3 ways to edit this. First method is we can double click here. second method is we can click here and press F2 button. Then also we can go to the edit mode. We can go to edit mode. Just try it by pressing F2 key. You can go to the edit mode. And the third way is you can edit by using this formula bar. So this is the formula bar. So how to clear something from a cell? We can click and press the
Press delete.
delete key. And the second way is you can use this eraser mark. Clear. And let's see if we if this is candy, and I'm going to change the color and increase the font size. Wait, there's a call for me. I'll bring the font. Sorry, huh? Actually, we discussed deleting content and how to copy this content to another cell. Sorry, I forgot to tell you this. Now, yes, the word candy, and if we want to delete the formatting, there's an option called clear formatting. Yeah? So it will clear the formatting. Right. And the other thing, using cut, copy, and paste. How to copy this thing to another cell?
By right clicking, copy and then paste.
By right click, copy, and if we go to another cell, we can just paste it. Or if we want to paste it without existing formatting, we can just click There's no way to wait. Wait, I'll write another word called Colombo. If I want to paste this formatting to another cell, I can select and paste formatting. So only the not the word, only the formatting will be copied. Okay. And let's see another example. 5, 3. And we can use a formula to get the total. No? Now the total is 8. If we want to copy this, so what would happen if we copy this to another cell?
It will become 0.
It will become 0. No? But if we want to copy the value, not the formula, we can use this option. This values option. By clicking that, we can copy the value. But it won't work as a formula anymore. Okay? If we paste the value is there, but it won't work as a formula. Did you get that point?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Lochana, we were discussing about copying something. Here we have this word and I'm going to copy it to another cell. We can just right click copy and right click and paste. So we can, sorry, can you hear me? Lochana? Lochana?
Yes, sir, but my network is not.
Ah. Right. I think you know the difference between cut paste and copy paste, no? Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
And I think you know the meaning of undo and redo. We no need to discuss these things.
Yes.
Right. If we want to insert a cell, let's wait. Give me a minute. I'll make another table. No, not a table actually. I'll write central province. Central. Or just write central. And I'll write Candy and Martha. Now, how to make it center? Actually, I forgot to tell about this feature. There's an option called merge cells. We can use merge cells to convert it into a single cell. By using merge cells, we can convert it into a single cell. Now it is central Kandy and Mathale. And I'll put another Sabara. What are the districts in Sabaragama province? Kegol and Ratnapura. What are the districts in the central province? Only Kandy and Mathale.
Nuwara.
Morelia is also belongs to the central province. So we forgot to write it. So what can we do now? We can insert another column. Huh? If we want to insert another column to be to this place, yes,
Sir,
yes, Nidindu.
excuse me, sir. Sir, where is merging, sir?
These are mid cells. Okay, merge and
Okay, sir.
If we want to add a new column here, we can just click and right click. Then we can go to insert. So the second district is Nuwara area. Nuwara area. We can use the same method to add a row. Huh? And we can use the same method to delete a cell or a row. How to increase the width of this cell?
Sir, from the two arrows.
Yes, using these two arrows. Huh? If we select multiple columns and adjust the width, the width of that all the columns will be changed. Huh? And we can use the same method for row height. Actually, we did this thing, how to change the font size and how to change the color, changing alignment, applying border, applying background color. What is this auto format? Ah, auto format is not visible. We have to take it.
So the thing that adds new things to the quick access toolbar, no, sir?
Yes. Let's see how to do it. And we have to go to more commands. No? Yes. And from that, we have to select auto format. But there's no such an option, no? Is it available in
Yes,
your
sir.
Windows Excel version?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No. Auto format is there. If we select this customized ribbon thing and change it to all commands, changes to all commands, huh? Then auto format is there. We can add it to this tab. Let's see what would happen. I'll put it to this font group. Let's see. Then also it's not font.
So I found it. Then what to do?
That's the problem. It can't be added to the ribbon. Anyway, just leave it for now. Huh? Let's see. It's out of format. No? Yes. Now it's okay. Sir, Nitidu,
Yes, sir.
Just follow this method, sir. Follow this method. Click the drop down arrow and go to more commands. And from here, we have to select all commands. Then we have to get auto format.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, Nitidu.
So after that more commands, what we want to click?
More commands. You have to select all commands. I'll show you from the beginning. Click this one. More commands. Then you get this window. And from here, you have to select all commands. From that, you have to select auto format and click this add button.
Okay, sir.
Now that command is there, no?
What we want to do?
Sorry?
Yes, sir, it's there.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It's there.
Let's see how to use it. Let's make a small table here. I'll write item unit unit price quantity amount. Okay. Pen, pencil, book, cutter, eraser, rescue 15, 10, 25. Sorry. Now we can select this area and click this auto format. And we can select anyone from the given.
Sir, what to do now?
Now, did you type these letters? Type this data?
Yeah, sir.
Now select it. Now click this auto format button. And select any formatting style. And press OK. Lochana, is it working now?
It's connecting and again disconnecting, sir.
Alright. Anyway, I'll send you the video. Actually, I'll post it to the group.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
We learned how to use this. Let's see how to format these numbers. Just select this and you can change it to this number format. And after that, we can increase decimal places and decrease decimal places and like that.
It's working, sir.
So, no?
It's working, sir.
Right. Actually, we learned how to create series. No need to do these things again. Now go to a new file. Now let's see how to create a custom list. We have to select file, options, then advanced
So
then edit custom list. Where is it? Yeah, edit custom list. I put the colors of the rainbow. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, right. Now I type these colors and now we have to click this add button and press OK and again OK.
So then what we want to do?
And this one is not working now. Let's see. What's the reason? Advanced.
So it is not working.
Abasara,
Yes, sir.
did you do up to this point?
Yes, sir. So it worked. The colors of the rainbow come when fill handle is used.
The problem in my mind is it's not possible to uh, grab this fill handle. What about Nitindu?
So it is not working.
It's not working. Let's see what happened. Anyway, just leave it for now and go to the next part. So, what are the shortcuts keys? Enter or edit data in a cell. It's F2. Enter data in multiple lines in the same cell. Alter enter. Cancels an entry in a cell. Escape. Select the active row. What is it? Says Shift plus spacebar, no? Yes. Select the active column, Control spacebar. Entire worksheet, Control A, Control C, copy, Control X, cut, delete for cutting, Control V for paste, Control Z, undo, Control Y, redo. Okay. Shall we answer these questions?
Okay, sir.
Right. Wait, I'll check what's wrong with my Excel document. Nezilu, if your fill handle is not working, this is how to correct it. Huh?
Apache, that battery is full. That battery is full.
Not yet. Okay. Go to File, then Options, Advanced, Editing Options,
Start advanced
Sir, editing
and
option on the
first section. Yes, Editing Option, and in that Editing Options, Fill Handle. Yes, Fill Handle. This sir. We have to make it enable. And now let's see. Now it's working. Right.
Sir, what's a custom list?
In which problem?
Sir, in the E. In the first one, first question, the E.
That thing we created using file options and
Okay, sir.
can you remember? Yeah.
Sir, what they mean
Excuse
from
me,
the
sir.
Yes, Professor.
sir, what they mean from the grace on the top left of the worksheet in question number 2 in the C?
Which of the following rules on the home tab is used to apply border to a cell?
No, not that one, sir. Click on the gray square at the top left of the worksheet to select the blank worksheet.
Which problem? In the problem number 2.
Yes, sir.
First we will discuss discuss answers for the problem number 1. Nah? After that, we can go move on to the second one. And next, what's your problem? Nitidu? Shall we discuss this, sir? Which of the following tab contains the option to insert cells in a worksheet? What's the answer?
Home.
Yes, we can insert cells using this insert button in the home tab. But we can use insert cells like this. Second one, formatting a worksheet involves which of the following operations?
All of these.
Font size,
All of these.
font style, alignment. Yes, all of these.
So I sent you a picture of my work.
All right. Let's see. Third one, which of the following groups on the home tab is used to apply border to a cell?
Font.
Font, yes. D, which of the following refers to a built-in collection of predefined layouts that can be easily applied to a range of data?
Auto format.
Yes, auto format. E, which of the following tabs contains the option to create a custom list in Excel?
File.
Files.
File. File option. Yes. Yes. Avasara, your answers are correct. Now let's
Okay.
move on to the second problem.
So I send you the work.
Okay.
Sir, I can't understood the second one.
This
All.
one. B, part B. Nitidu,
Yes, sir.
did you mean the part B, part B1? Habasara, your answers are correct. Huh?
Okay, sir.
Let's do the third one.
Sir, what's the question C in the third part? I can't understand that question, sir.
Inserting and deleting a worksheet cannot be undone. Inserting a worksheet means how to insert a worksheet.
From the plus sign,
Yes. Actually, that cannot be undone. Uh, that worksheet 2 is there. And if we delete this one, that is also cannot be undone.
okay, sir.
Apache, can you get the TV with my little pony?
Sir, I send you the web.
Okay, Bhavat sir.
Yeah, I also sent.
Okay. Let's see
Sir,
the
I also
question.
sent you.
Okay. Cut paste cannot be used to move entries from one worksheet to another. Is it true or false? Let's see. If we try to move this,
Pause.
it worked, no? Yes. So it is false. The second one, you can change the height of a row and width of the column with the help of the mouse only. Is it true? Let's see. Huh? We can go to this page layout tab and we can where is it? There's an option called row height and column width. Where is it?
Apache, may I have a phone with my little pony for
Is it in your note?
In your notes? Yes.
Here. You can change the row height and column width. You can just enter any number. I'll enter 30 and press enter. Then it increase the height of the row. In the same way, you can use it for column width. For column width, I will put 15 or something. So the second one is false. Huh? You can change the with the help of the mouse only. No, we can do it using the keyboard also. So the second one is false. Let's see the third one. See, the action of inserting and deleting a worksheet cannot be undone. Yes, that is true. C is true. D, click the first and last row header along with shift key to select. Click the first and last row header. Row header. Yes, that is also correct. D is also correct. Huh? We can use it. Shift and this one. That is possible. E, you cannot create your own list based on numbers in Excel. Is it true or false? Pabasara,
Yes, sir.
I think it is true. You cannot create your own list based on numbers. Because of this word numbers, it should be true. Isn't it given in the note? Let's see. On list of textual data in a worksheet. Textual data means text and letters.
Okay, sir.
Right. So we were doing third one, no? Yes. If Pabasara,
Yes, sir.
were you able to activate that Zoom educational package for your internet connection?
Yes, sir.
All right. And it is not auto renewing. Huh? You have to activate them manually.
Okay, sir, I activated today.
You activated today.
No, sir, I activated last month and it was over and I activated it today again.
Right. Yes, Nitin. Anyway. If a row or a column can be inserted by right clicking on the cell. Is it true? Yes, insert. So the last one is also true. Huh? You can right click this one and insert. We can insert a row or a column. Right. So what are the answers? Let's try to mark this. Yeah. First one is false. Second one is
Second one is false.
also false. Third one is
Third one, no.
click the first and last row. That is also true.
True.
This one is also true.
True.
Also.
False.
F1, F is correct, no? Yes, it is correct. True.
Okay, sir. Right. Okay, let's do the fourth one. Sir, I can't understand that.
How will you select a number of non-adjacent cells? Means numbers like this, one in this cell and another one in this cell. How to select them? Non-adjacent cells කියන්නේ මේ එක ළඟ තියෙනවා. Non-adjacent කියන්නේ මෙහෙම ඈතින් තියෙනවා.
Sir, what's the meaning of B?
Discuss the role of auto format in Excel.
No, sir, B. The second one.
B. Undo and redo.
Sir, we have to write a short note.
Uh, yes.
Okay, sir.
By using undo, we can step back any operation. We can reverse of the undo is called redo. That's all.
Okay, sir. Sir, for the C, is it decimal numbers, time, currency, that one?
Yes.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, Nithidu.
So what time does the class finish?
At about 5:45.
Okay, sir. Sir, I can't understand this all.
You can't understand them. How will you select a number of non-adjacent cells? Using control key, yeah? We can select them using select the first one and press and hold the control key and select the second one. That's the answer for question number A. Second one, discuss the role of undo and redo. Don't you know them? You see, undo, we can step back any operation. What is undo and redo?
Undo is used to step back the last operation,
Yes,
and redo is used to reverse undo.
reverse undo, yes. See, what are the various ways in which numbers can be formatted?
Percentage, fraction, scientific, currency, time,
Very good,
decimal.
very good. Huh? Then discuss the role of auto format. I think the answer was in a previous question. So if you put auto format here, this is the answer for the part D, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
If you write auto format here, so this is the answer for part D. And for E, you have to write it how to. And if if is
Cut and paste.
little bit difficult, no? Move the cell content, yes, we can use cut and paste. Or what's the other way? We can click from the cell border and drag it to another cell. Second one, change the font style. It is not difficult. Go to Home tab, Font and Font Styles. Delete a row. We can go to Delete and select Delete Sheet Rows. Right? Change the column width. We can either use mouse or Home, Format, and column width. Right? Right. Okay. Then can you do this as a homework?
Sir, the practical part.
Yes.
Okay, sir.
Okay, then I'll stop the class for now.
Okay, sir.
Right. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Welcome. Good night.
Good night,
Sir,
sir.
yeah.
Sorry? Nothing good? You have to do this as a homework, huh? Activity.